Across a distinguished land, the sound of growth and prosperity carries a name rooted in modern industry, advanced technology, and knowledge-driven Iranian management. Amid the presence of major global brands, an Iranian name forges its path into international markets, standing with authority and securing its position across the highly competitive markets of all 5 continents. In 2004, the first decisive step was taken. The Istak Rosh factory was established in full alignment with leading global standards. In 2006, it reached full-scale production. Years of commitment, capable leadership, and resilience through complex challenges transformed this facility into a guiding force along the demanding path of national industrial development, repeating the name of Iran through Iranian-made products across global markets. In 2009, driven by strong domestic and international demand, the second major Istak production facility was established in the city of Sanandaj, further strengthening the company's manufacturing foundation. By integrating the highest quality agricultural inputs cultivated through advanced biological technologies within large-scale industrial systems, Istak delivers pure, health-oriented products designed for the modern family. Through significant capital investment, the deployment of state-of-the-art German production lines, collaboration with leading academic institutions, and the global registration of the Istak trademark, the brand formally entered international competition, bringing forward a distinguished name from Iran. Over a 10-year period, Istak earned 27 top industry awards, reaffirming the successful and sustained presence of Iranian products in global markets. All Istak products are produced using fully automated, sterile systems and undergo multiple stages of quality assurance throughout the packaging process. With more than 20 malt beverage flavors and over 15 varieties of carbonated and non-carbonated fruit drinks, Istak respects diverse consumer preferences while delivering safe, enjoyable products to families. Today, as part of an accelerated development strategy, Istak is in the process of launching the Middle East's largest malt extract production facility alongside a glass bottle manufacturing plant. Backed by the trust of consumers and aligned with a clear vision for progress, Istak continues to move forward as a leading symbol of Iran's beverage industry development.